Hello everybody, this is going to be my my bike checks. A couple people have asked, what do I run for, I don't know, what kind of backup do you have, what kind of bars, whatever. So I'm just going to start from the frame and go out. So the frame is a Verde Regent. It's a full chromoly. It's kind of small actually. I wanted a smaller frame and I ordered a 20.5 inch top tube. It was way too small. Oh, I kind of deal with it, but I don't really feel like getting a new one, so goddamn expensive. My forks are there's some type of Odyssey forks. Somebody told me that they were specifically for dirt, so I don't know, I guess they're Odyssey dirt forks. I don't know what they are. They're pretty cool top cap though. Bottle opener, completely hollow. You can see my tire down there, if you can see that, maybe. Stem, Verde Cartel stem? No, something like that. It's a Verde stem. Bars are Shadow Vultus. They're the fucking big ones. 9.5 rise, 30.25 width. Giant. It's kind of hard to do anything that involves it going past the seat because the giant bars, a small frame, and as you can see, so yeah. My cranks are Fit and Indent 24mm, ungodly strong and stiff. I love them. Favorite part of my bike, honestly. I almost got the chrome ones, but kind of trying to get everything back to black, I guess. Pedals stolen Thermalite, really grippy. I've had these for ever now. Whenever I need new pedals, I just grab a new pair of these. A front wheel is custom built. It's been through a couple of my friends, and now it's to me. Got 2 lucky gold nipples. It's an Alienation Skylark rim, Hoffman Bikes hub. I don't know what kind of spokes. Front tire is Eastern Curb Monkey. They kind of stopped making those. I still have mine. It's getting a little worn down. I'm gonna replace it soon. Rear wheel, the one everybody loves, is a Colony Pintour cassette, obviously. Black. Rear tire is a Cult Dehart slick. None of the knobbies. It's all slick. Sprocket, Crank&Bones. Chain Shadow Interlock V2, I think. It used to be red, but it's this weird seafoam green now. Used to be the color of my old bike. There's still some left up there on the forks. Seat is an animal stitched, I think that's what it's called. It's an old animal seat. They don't make this anymore either. A lot of old parts. My headset, I don't know either. All I know is it's integrated. So I think that's it. Oh yeah, the grips. Cool Vans. Best grip I've ever had. Well, besides the Edwin grips, but they melted really easily. I didn't like that. So yeah, there's my trusty steed. All my pegs are Eastern. Who cares? So yeah, like the video if you like my bike, I guess. Comment, rate, subscribe, do all that happy horse shit. And see you guys next time.